Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Photos app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Amazon Photos app. Just click on it here, or just click on search. Down here add Amazon Photos app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you click here on for stop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.